Hello, welcome back to my channel. In reference to the last video I made on how I cook my steak, now I will show you how I made the side dish. The ingredients are baby mushrooms, beans, sweet potatoes, cherry tomatoes, chopped onion, chopped garlic. Don't mind those 4 cloves, I use that for the steak. Pine nuts, extra virgin olive oil, Worcestershire, pepper, and Himalayan salt. In a very hot pan, put on your extra virgin olive oil. Make sure that the surface of the pan are all covered with oil. Add your onion and sweat it for a few minutes. And then add your garlic. After a few minutes, add in your sweet potato. Saute for a few minutes and then add in your baby mushroom. Here's a tip in cooking vegetables. Always put the vegetable that takes time to cook to avoid overcooking your vegetables. We don't want to eat saggy vegetables, right? Add your beans and cherry tomatoes. You guys might wonder bakit ang onti lang ng sweet potato. Well, kailangan sa kitchen resourceful tayo. So I just used the leftover sweet potato from the corned beef hash with egg na ginawa ko. I hope you'll watch that video because it's really good kasi you can prepare it ahead of time and it can be an easy grab for breakfast and can be stored in the fridge for a few days. Okay, back to our recipe. After mixing all your vegetables, you have to add pepper and salt and Worcestershire sauce. Switch off your gas and add in your pine nuts. This whole process will take about 7 to 10 minutes. Again, do not overcook your veggies. There you go, we now have a perfect side dish for steak, or you can actually eat this as it is. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Always remember, just cook it. Until my next video, ta-ta!